Okay, so today I'm going to be doing something a bit different again. I'm going to be playing old Scratch games that I made. Now, Scratch is a block programming language made by MIT, and I think it's pretty cool. It used to be a large part of my life, I guess, and I got into about 3rd grade. I don't really do it now because, there's better languages to use. So, yeah, I made a lot of games in Scratch. So yeah, I did make a lot of these, and these kind of give me nostalgia. But I think the one I am probably most proud of is a platformer called Jump. Now let's see if we can find it. It's down here. So I made this in, I don't know, when I was in like 4th grade, I think. Yeah, 2016. So when I was in 4th grade, and yeah, this gives me memories. Okay, so I'm going to be playing through this, and as I play, I'll be commenting on it, I guess. And this video is going to need pretty heavy editing. Yeah, so, oh, shoot. Okay, well, we better start, with the first level. I guess I'll comment on each of these. Also, since I've played these a lot, since, I had to, debug stuff. So, I'm pretty familiar with all these levels. Okay. So here's level 1. Oh, also, you can see this level counter on the left. This really should be level 0. This first level should be level 0, not level 1. So I'm not going to go fix that because, yeah. Also, Scratch updated in 3.0. Wait, is it 2.0? Okay, I think it's Scratch 3.0. In Scratch 3.0, they now use JavaScript instead of Flash, which is good because Flash is dying, but I don't really like the new interface. So yeah, that's part of the reason why I ditched it. So, okay, level 1. You have to get to the black to advance to the next level, and red is lava, so yeah. Also, wall jumping. Yay. Okay. Man, I've played these levels a lot. Okay, so yes, there's a lava pit. Okay. So this is it's a pretty simple level because these words are written in black, so you can just touch the words. Okay. And here we go. The box outlines are different from the color of the boxes. So, yeah, okay. And yeah, there's a big moving. Okay, well, hold on. Okay, also, you can press R to restart. Oh, yeah, and this video is obviously going to contain spoilers for the game. So, yeah, if you actually want to play the game, watch this video after you finish it. But it's not hard to beat, so. Okay, so you can't reach this black, so you're like, okay, what do I do? But then you notice it's behind this level counter. So we can actually go here and then touch that. Okay, you can have a break. Oh, I like this level because it's it looks pretty cool, I think. I mean, I made this in 4th grade, right? So, I mean, I guess I still don't, but I didn't have good artistic talent. Yeah, I still don't have artistic talent, but yeah. Also, I drew these in bitmap, so you can see there's the words. I guess this is hard to read, but the words are not perfectly smooth because they use bitmap. And in the later levels, I used vectors, a vector system, because it looked cleaner. Also, Scratch updated its fonts, so they look a bit different than the old ones. The bitmap preserves the old font, but yeah. Okay, now which one? You have to decide between this one or this one. And both of them are pretty easy to get. But, yeah. Okay. This level is actually not that hard. Okay, this one. Okay, this one I introduced a new feature. So, you see a lot of red, and it's you go oh, it's impossible to get to the black. But if you see, there's actually 2 shades of red. So, if you touch the darker one, but if you see the darker red, if you touch the darker red, let's see what happens. Oh, okay, you can touch this one over here. It actually teleports you to a predetermined spot on the right. So if you do that here, you'll see that, okay, it's just to the right of the black. So when you touch it, you have to move left. Okay, and now, if you touch this darker shade of red, you teleport to this box. And it's impossible to get out, so you have to actually avoid this red. Okay, and then this level, I think I said just can't get it right because it was hard for me to like get to the black, I guess, but it's actually not that hard. Oh, I should have a death counter. I should have implemented a death counter. Okay, yeah, mwahahaha, because, see, this platform is moving away, okay, but then it returns, so, yay. Okay, and then this purple, is bouncy, so it propels you upwards. Okay, I'm gonna make a few fun levels. Yay. There's like 50 something levels, I think. Okay, here I introduce a new mechanism as well. If you touch this, like, I don't know, it's like olive, then your X velocity gets multiplied by -1. So you get propelled in the opposite direction. Yeah. But also you don't actually need the olive. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. Okay, you're wasting your time. So like automatically what you would do is move to the right. Okay, well I guess that works. Okay, I think this is pretty cool. I like this one because this laser thing, it shoots lasers at you. This gun shoots lasers at you, which is pretty cool. But it's pretty easy to dodge because it follows your current location, and it should actually try to predict where you will be in like maybe 2 seconds or however long it takes for the laser to get to you. So yeah, I like this. Okay, I'm gonna call these the war levels. That's hilarious. Okay. Yay. Stuff. Okay, originally I was planning for the laser thing to actually be here, but I think that would have made it impossible. So that's probably why I removed it. Okay. This one, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to get to this all thing and then land on the purple and then get to the black, but what you can actually do is just jump onto the purple from there. Okay, this thing floats. So if you use this thing as a boat, it floats. Okay. Enter the coordinates. Where's the black? Okay, if you enter something like 20, it will appear at 2020. Also 00 is at the middle. So yeah, I think this is when I started using vector because vector is good. Okay, break time. Okay, you see jump, you're like, okay, how do I get to this block? But it's like basically, oh, okay, well, it is possible actually. But what you're supposed to do is there's a tiny dot in the center over here. You're supposed to jump onto that dot and then get to the second platform. So dot, second platform, and then end. Okay. Okay, this level's kind of confusing. If you look at this black, it's actually not black. It's like a very, very dark shade of blue or purple. And if you touch it, nothing happens. So you're like, okay, where is the black? So you look at this top left corner and you see the level counter. And there might be something behind it. You don't know. So you jump onto it and it works. Okay. Level 42, I should have done something special. Okay, illusions. I guess I was trying to be like tricky here. Also, I went back to bitmap. I don't know. Yeah, okay. This is fun. Yeah, it is. Okay. What's your username? I think this is kind of broken. But yeah, if you enter it, like it just disappears and then you can get to this black dot. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Okay, and I came all this way for nothing. I guess this level is supposed to be like a double trick because if you do the maze and then you get here, like the red dot is hard to see if you're not full screen. So people might die. And then they go like, oh, that's what the text means. I came all this way for nothing. But actually, you get tricked twice because if you touch this black, it's actually not black. It's actually a very, very dark shade of gray. So what you actually have to do is you notice there's this little black dot over here and you just go to that. Okay. I get tired of making levels, okay? It was pretty tiring, but making these levels isn't very hard. And yeah, I continued making this game until like a very long time. I mean, okay, I don't know when I last edited this, but well, we will continue. There's not a lot of levels left. There's not a lot. Okay. 48, I get tired of making levels, okay? Okay, you touch this thing, and if you just press the right key, it goes slow. But if you press the left key, it flips your velocity, so you actually go to the right. Okay, and then I added some water. And I don't know why that happens when you touch gray. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Okay, your velocity apparently gets really high. Okay, push the lever. Yeah, purple bounces you. If you push this, you automatically move on to the next level without. Yeah, okay. Water platforms. Okay, yeah. We tired of dying yet. Okay. Oh, because I actually want to go back. How do you go back? Okay, I don't know if you can go back. Okay, well, whatever. But that level's like a notoriously hard level to beat because oh no, you can sink downwards. Okay. Because you keep bumping into the red thing above. Okay, also this uses vector, I think, finally. Consistently. Okay. Something bad is planned. So if you touch this, you get trapped. Oh no, how do you get out? Well, you just restart. Okay, you have to think. Well, that's not supposed to happen, but if you just go here, oh wow, you can actually jump over it. Okay, well, I didn't intend for that to happen. Maybe my reflexes were just really bad, but yeah. There's actually this underground tunnel, which is not gray, that you can use to get to this. Okay, well, was that hard? Well, this is harder. Yeah, all these are actually red. Not like, none of them are like false red. Okay, what you're actually supposed to do here is there's this tiny black dot over here on the left. I think that's the last level. Yeah, okay, well, cool, that was fun. This was inspired by like a Scratch program called the Longest Platformer Ever, which is like oh, I don't know who it was made by originally. Okay, I don't think this is remixed, so I think this is the original, but this is what I was inspired by. This might not be the original. Yeah, Scratch 3 broke some weird features. Okay, like this thing. Pen stuff. Yeah. Oh wait, okay, well, it doesn't actually break anything. Maybe my request actually worked. Yeah, and then you can drag around to see these satellites being blown up. Man, I used to do a lot of stuff on Scratch. Oh, Moon Landing. Okay, Moon Landing is probably actually my favorite. Moon Landing is likely my favorite game, but it got broken. Let's see. Aha, Moon Landing. This is probably my second favorite. But that's going to have to wait until next time. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be playing Moon Landing and some other Scratch games I've made. Wait, why do I have so many coins? Ah, frick. Okay, I blew up. Okay, well, rip.